How to hide posts on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide posts on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and here let's choose one of those posts. For example, the first one. All you need to do is click on those three lines up there, and here you have the option number 3, which is hide posts. Click on it to see fewer posts like this, and this is it. Now this post have like you did hide that post, and this is it. Click on hide post again. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked this video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.